Likes, maraming salamat sa pagiging special guest mo, of course, ngayong gabi sa aking 10th anniversary. This means so much to me, sharing the stage with you. It will always be a pleasure. Tsaka grabe na yung bilis ng panahon. Ang tanda na natin, 10 years ago. Tsaka ang dami nang nangyari. Siyempre, I'm very proud of all of your achievements. Siyempre, iba na ngayon, may jowa ka na.
Siya din meron.
Wala ngayon.
Eme.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Lex.
Ayan, syempre, unang-unang sa lahat, congratulations. Happy 10th anniversary sa'yo.
Happy 10th sa atin.
Sa atin. Ayan, sa atin. Sa ating lahat. Ayan, super happy ko. And of course, super thankful ko din na sinama mo rin ako dito sa journey mo. And also, talagang alam ko at alam natin kung saan tayo nagsimula. At kasama talaga tayo sa mga journey natin. And syempre sa mga achievements mo, super happy kami. And sa lahat ng mga supporters mo dito, ayan, super happy sila sa'yo. And proud kami sa'yo. Ayan, congratulations.
Maraming salamat, Likes. Once again, give it up for Laika Gairanon, everyone!
Thank you, everybody.
Yay! Salamat! Alright. Okay. Okay pa po ba kayo? Before anything else, of course... Sorry, wait lang po. Sorry. Ayan, before my next song, I'd like to thank Mr. Francis Libiran for my outfits tonight. For some of my outfits, like the one I'm wearing, like this suit. Maraming salamat po. I'd also like to thank Bello Medical Group again, because only Bello touches my skin. Who touches yours? Nams. Okay. And of course, to my friends who are here, isa-isang silang dumalaw kanina sa aking dressing room. Maraming salamat. Ate Kath, Catherine Bernardo, everyone! Aldala sa sound, maraming salamat din sa'yo. Kay Chi, of course, to Joao, maraming salamat. Kay Kuya Robbie, kay Ate Mikey, maraming salamat. I love you guys so much. Maraming salamat sa paghabol. To Alexa, na nag-concert din kagabi. Si Alexa, ayun, maraming salamat for still attending. Alam kong pagod ka, but you're here. Maraming salamat also to Ate Denise Laurel. Maraming salamat, Ate Den. And Chong Di, who's also here. Maraming salamat. And we also have AC Bonifacio, Angela Ken, maraming salamat. Jella Ataide, and Bel Mariano, maraming salamat. Thank you also po kay Miss Jamie Rivera. Maraming salamat, Miss Jamie. Bailey May, Tita Sylvia Sanchez, and to the Ataide family, maraming salamat. Chabby, what's up? Thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying. Who else is here? Si DJ Jai Ho. Ayan, what's up, Ate Jai? Kuya EA Guzman, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. It's been a while. Kuya EJ Falcon, nandito rin. Ate Kit Kat, Miss Maricel Morales, Miss Rochelle Barameda, and the rest of my Beauty Derm family. It means so much that you guys are here. Grabe. Beauty Derm! Alright. Maraming salamat po. And going back, alam niyo